Inside your body, millions of biological operations are processed every single second. This internal network coordinates everything from the rhythm of your heart to the firing of your neurons through a complex web of transport channels. To maintain this network, the body requires two distinct inputs. First is basic nutrition, the raw calories that provide energy. Second is nourishment, the specific vitamins and minerals that act as the tools required to use that energy. This distinction explains why a person can eat enough food to have an abundance of raw energy, yet still experience a sense of physical sluggishness and fatigue. Raw fuel remains unutilized if the cellular machinery lacks the precise vitamin and mineral tools necessary to process it. The standard response to this nutrient deficit is to swallow a traditional multivitamin, assuming the body will immediately absorb the missing tools. However, human cells cannot independently extract and process these swallowed nutrients with high efficiency on their own. Instead, the human body outsources the task of nutrient absorption to a microscopic workforce of bacteria living deep within the digestive tract. To see how these tools are actually processed, we have to look past our own cells and focus on this microbial workforce. This schematic shows the primary function of the gut microbiome. These microbes take complex plant fibers and ferment them, converting the fiber into short-chain fatty acids, or SCFAs. These SCFA molecules serve as the primary energy source for the cells lining the human colon. Once they receive this microbial energy, the colon cells bind together to construct a secure physical gut barrier. This wall functions as a filter. It allows beneficial nutrients to pass into the bloodstream while locking out harmful toxins and bacteria. This system breaks down during the vast majority of the body's immune cells, which are stationed directly behind this wall, can remain in a state of calm alert. Maintaining this fortified wall prevents the silent inflammation that otherwise disrupts the command signals sent by your brain and nervous system. This system breaks down during dysbiosis, a state where harmful bacteria outnumber the friendly microbiome workforce. In this state, the colon cells lose their energy source. As these cells detach, the protective wall becomes leaking and permeable. Traditional vitamins fail here because the damaged barrier cannot catch them. The nutrients bypass the absorption channels and are lost as waste. Attempting to fix this by swallowing standalone probiotics, adding new workers to the gut, often leads to the same result. These new microbes arrive at a damaged site without the vitamins and minerals they need to survive and build their networks. Without those materials, they fail to colonize and eventually disintegrate. This creates a biological paradox. The human host needs microbes to absorb vitamins, but the microbes need vitamins to survive and repair the host. Treating these as separate issues ignores the fact that the host and the microbes exist in a single, codependent ecosystem. The solution is to deliver a payload of live microbes and their required micronutrients at the exact same time. This integrated approach is used in RychBiome Super Supplement, which combines 21 probiotic strains with a specific blend of vitamins, minerals, and botanical antioxidants. In this combined form, the vitamins act as cofactors, providing the immediate tools the probiotics need to colonize the gut and begin the repair process. As the newly supported microbes seal the gaps in the gut barrier, the host's body can then successfully absorb the remaining nutrients into the bloodstream. This simultaneous delivery restores the biological loop, enabling the microbial workforce to thrive and the host to process nutrients. When the protective barrier is fully restored, we clearly see a steady flow of nutrients entering the bloodstream. This flow allows antioxidants like vitamin E and grapeseed extract to reach the tissues. Once there, these compounds neutralize the free radicals that cause cellular stress. With cellular stress and inflammation reduced, the brain and nervous system regain clear communication with every department in the body. Sustaining this interconnected loop ensures that every biological system receives the tools it needs to function as a single coordinated whole.